Only gardeners who enjoy long growing seasons should attempt to sow pepper seed directly in the garden. Most of us must start our own plants indoors about 8-10 weeks before transplanting, which should be done 2-3 weeks after the expected last frost. In most cases, pepper seeds should be started indoors 8-10 weeks before the last spring frost. Pepper seeds should be sown indoors in flats or cell trays using a sterile seedling mix. Sow seeds 1 centimeter deep. Keep soil as warm as possible. 27 degrees Celsius, 80 degrees Fahrenheit, is best, until germination. Seeds sprout in 8-21 days depending on soil temperature. Try to keep seedlings at 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, 64 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, in the day, and 16 to 18 degrees Celsius, 61 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit, at night. Avoid night temperatures below 12 degrees Celsius, 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Pepper seeds may take up to 3 weeks to germinate, so be patient. Pepper seeds require moisture and warmth to break their dormancy and sprout. Dormancy is the seed's built-in survival mechanism which prevents seeds from germinating in cold conditions which would kill the young seedlings. Just be aware that the germination process can be slow and irregular as the degree of dormancy varies considerably between species. Seeds should not be allowed to dry out as there will be a negative impact on germination rates. Trays should be positioned in a warm, bright, south-facing window or under fluorescent lighting. The optimum soil temperature for germination is 21 to 29 degrees Celsius, 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. A heat mat can be used to warm the flats if required. Seedlings will emerge within 8 to 25 days, and after the seedlings has developed 2 sets of true leaves, then they can be moved to a larger 3-4 in pot. Seedlings should be provided with ample light and adequate fertilizer. Label your seeds flat so you won't risk confusing. Write the plant name, variety included, as soon as you plant seeds so you will know which plant is. Growing peppers from seed requires a certain amount of patience. The willingness to dedicate time to nurture that seedling, and care for it as it matures, can reward you with a healthy, robust, prolific plant and amazing fruits for your patience. Thank you for watching my video.